So the campground is full, but usually bike and hikes don't fill up. Most cyclists are out of there by now. Okay. Traffic. Let's see if they have a hike and bike area. I don't know. We'll see. Let's hope. Nice.
Hello.
Hi. Do you have hike and bike?
Yes, I do.
Oh, okay.
It's $5 a person per night.
Oh, okay. Great.
Can I get a last name?
Johnson.
One night?
Yep.
You going out to the festival?
Is that in
Benbow.
Benbow? I
We have
don't know.
a shuttle going every 30 minutes.
Oh, I might have to.
It's supposed to be pretty cool.
Yeah, somebody back at Liggett told me about it. And I was like, wow, that's quite a ways for me to make it. But
Well, the cool thing is it's every 30 minutes, so that shuttle should be here in about 10 minutes, and then it's on the hour and a half hour every time.
Okay. Alrighty, great. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you know how to get to our hike and bike?
I sure don't.
So it's between campsites 25 and 27. You're gonna take an immediate right, and then go to the. You're gonna go straight until you hit like a T. You're gonna go left, and then it'll be on your right-hand side. So we're here, and that's the curve. You're gonna go straight until you get to your left, and then it'll be on the right-hand side.
Okay.
There you go.
And do you have showers?
Yes, we do.
Quarters or tokens?
Quarters.
Okay.
Yeah. It's 50 cents to get started, and then 25 cents for every minute after that.
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
And then we also have a river, so.
Oh, okay. Wow. Alrighty, well, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good night.
Great, thanks. Immediate right. And 27. Ah, 1524. All the way. Huckleberry Campground, hike and bike. 27. Music festival sounds like it'd be nice, but got the dogs. I can't leave them here while I go into town. Let's see. Look at these trees. This is just awesome. So we're going to go this way. Whoops, 25. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Cooper and Twinkie Hush. So, guessing this is hike and bike, which can be interesting. I don't know, is this hike and bike? So we got a big open area here, but no tables or anything. So I don't know if this is hike and bike or not. Let's see. 1 through 36. Let's go check. 25. Looks like you passed 20. Let me go check just to make sure. Not that I want to climb this again, but. 26. Okay, this might be hike and bike, I hope. There's 27 and hike and bike, yep. Good thing we didn't decide just to stick it out, stay up there and set up. I was a bit worried the hike and bike might just be that field, but this looks like it, and I like this spot right up here. Looks, well, almost flat. So, this might be it. Typically when I get to a hike and bike area like this, before I let the dogs out, I kind of look around to see where is a good flat area and something that's kind of away from the road, near maybe a table in the box. So far, all this, like this hill area, is kind of at an slanted down, so I don't see a whole lot of flat areas. There is, well, I was going to say over there, but yeah, I try to get a little away from the road so that when people walk by, they don't get the dogs all excited. And plus, just later, there'll be cyclists and maybe hikers coming. So I try to get a little away from where they might all be setting up, just so they don't upset the dogs or startle them. Or so let me just see. I was thinking here, but it's still kind of at more of an angle there. Might be right here. But then the table would be way over there for cooking and all that. So we may have to set up right here near the box, near a table, still kind of at an angle, not much flat. And it's still a little close to the road, but really can't do much about that. Unless we go over here. And I think we might go here, because if we go over here, you're going to have people later coming in on their bikes. And so that's my whole process before I even let the dogs out. I kind of look around for the best spot. I'm here early. I know later there'll probably be a few people show up. So I think we found our spot right here. We got a table, box for food, place to put the tent and the trike. And then relax. That road was getting a little crazy. So get off the road for the day and relax. Maybe take the dogs for a walk. I hear the creek down there. It's kind of peaceful. Everything's a little more spread out here compared to, Standish Hickey, where we just came from. So it seems a little quieter here. Of course, we don't have the same amenities that they had there, but oh well. Let me just check over here. So we get garbage, water. That's 27. So this is it. And this is our spot. Let me just set this down. Look at these trees though. Man. Can you believe that? Oh. Incredible. Just incredible. Let me get the trike over and start setting up. Where are we going to stay the night, guys? We're going to camp tonight, okay? How's that, guys? So we haven't had cell phone signal, wow, probably 3, 4, maybe 5 days. I kind of lose track. So I will be finding a spot someplace in the open, pushing that button there, and that'll tell everybody where I am. For now, I'm going to turn the tracks off. so it's no longer sending out tracks since we're stationary now, we're not moving. And we will get setting up. Okay, so got the tent set up. I don't have the rain fly on it yet because it's pretty warm still here. I mean, it's relative. If you're from Arizona, this is chilly. But now that I've been on the coast where it's been pretty cool, and you probably hear the dogs, they're even panting a little bit. This is warm for us now. So later I'll put the top on the rain fly, but now I want to let air in. Got that set up, got everything inside that I need. You know, helps weight down the tent and just things that I'll need later. Everything's kind of secure. I'm going to lock up the trike, I forgot that. But and then we're going to go for a walk and see where the restrooms are, let the dogs do their thing, and come back probably and just chill inside the tent because there are still a lot of mosquitoes around here. And then a little later we'll do this to let everybody know where I am, and hopefully it'll be a nice afternoon and evening.